Salam alaikum. Welcome to Cairo. Oh, I'm sorry. I am in Cairo. This nice chair here. But I'm ready to start your Theology of Ministry class. This is a wonderful class. We've rounded third, we're heading for home, and we're starting to integrate in the things that you've learned to really talk about how does this all fit? How are you to minister in the setting that you're in a hospital? How are you to really be a minister? So that's the point of this class. And it will be a wonderful class. I have two good books for you. A Theology of Ministry by Hannenberg, which is very good talking about ministry as a relational thing. We'll just read the first half of that. And a book about collaboration, a way to think about ministry and your role as leaders of ministry, as ministry leaders. And it's about bringing other people in. Probably other professors have quoted from this book in your classes so far. Now we will have a chance to talk about this book directly. If you read it at the beginning of your class, I don't know, let me know. I think reading it again will be worthwhile because now you'll understand it on a deeper level. And collaboration really fits with the theology of ministry to say what ministry is all about. Before I get too far, let me just introduce myself again. Scott Steinkirchner is my name. You could call me Father Scott or Professor or whatever you want, or just Scott is really fine. I am a Dominican, though you can't tell right now. I'm in Cairo visiting. I'm in an Islamic library that the Dominicans run here in Cairo, Egypt, not Cairo, Illinois, but Cairo, Egypt. And I'm here talking to them and having a little vacation time. So hence the Islamic scarf, actually Arabic scarf, and Salam alaikum, peace be upon you, and you can say alaikum salam back to me. And I could introduce myself also instead of Scott Steinkirchner is Abu Shanab, because of my great mustache. That's what everybody called me here. In any case, how we're going to start the course is I'm going to have you do some readings from the Catechism of the Catholic Church. Those readings will be listed down below this video, or maybe above, I'm not sure, I haven't laid this out yet, but I think below. Just some chapters from the Catechism of the Catholic Church that will give us a common vocabulary to talk about ministry. So you'll read those chapters and then answer some questions in the bulletin board, in the forum that I will set up. And I'll grade the answers to the forum, but more importantly, when everyone has weighed into the forum, I will give feedback on, do I think you're getting it, what's right, and what's a little off. The point in all of this, my way of teaching the class, is that I have found you some very quality readings to do. You do the readings, the information is in the reading. The forums are a way to discuss, to make sure, see how you're understanding the readings. And then my lecturing, my discussion with you is places where I think you're not catching on to the readings quite right, or you have raised questions and I'll answer it. How does this connect to your life? How does this connect to other issues? These are the things that we will discuss back and forth. But the basic facts you'll get from the readings themselves, because they're very good readings. So anyway, start with reading the Catechism of the Catholic Church, just the sections that I've given you on priesthood, and you'll find out when you start reading it why priesthood is the theme we're going for ministry. And then answer the questions in the forum or the bulletin board, and then we'll get rolling. I think that's good enough. Salam alaikum.